Hey everyone, welcome to DKiRasoi. On today's episode we are going to make healthy, quick and easy recipe. So let's get started. In a pan, add 4 tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 finely chopped green chilies, 2 to 3 finely chopped curry leaves, and sauté. Add a half cup chopped onions. Sauté and let onions cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Once onions are cooked, add 1 cup zucchini, 1 cup green bell peppers, 1 cup potatoes, 2½ cup of roughly chopped spinach, 1 cup tomatoes. Mix all the veggies and cover it with lid. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons of tikka masala paste, salt as per taste. Stir until all the spices are mixed and cover it with lid and let cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Let it cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then stir once again and let it cook for next 2 to 3 minutes on low flame until all the veggies are fully cooked. Once all the veggies are cooked, add cilantro, then stir and let it cook for 30 seconds on high flame. Ready to serve with rice or wheat flatbread. Don't forget to subscribe to DKiRasoi and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you until next video.